let us learn about rhizobial inoculation. Just now we have seen that is rhizobium bacteria. They are present in the root nodules of the leguminous crops. Right, children? So what the farmers are doing? They are growing these crops so that the fertility of the soil is maintained. And for that, after the harvesting also, they cut down the roots of these crops and they put it back into the soil. So that the bacteria which is present in the roots, they will fix the nitrogen into the soil and maintain the fertility of the soil. But children, only the rhizobium bacteria which are present in the leguminous crop may not be sufficient to increase the fertility of the soil. So nowadays the farmers have started the artificial method which is called as rhizobial inoculation. What is this method actually? This method is like, you will find that the seeds which they want to sow, any of the seeds which they want to sow in the field, before sowing, what they will do, they will coat it with rhizobial solution or its powder. They will coat it with rhizobial solution or rhizobial powder. Okay, and then they will sow them in the field. What is this rhizobial solution powder? Children, this solution and powder, they contain active rhizobium bacteria. So when the seeds are coated with this particular solution or powder, the bacteria enters the seed, right? So when the bacteria enters the seed, what will happen? And you are sowing the seed, definitely the roots of that particular seed, when they grow, they will also contain rhizobium bacteria, right? And you know that this rhizobium bacteria, they will fix the nitrogen to the soil. So to increase the fertility of the soil, this artificial method is used by the farmers. So what is rhizobial inoculation, children? It is nothing but the farmers are coating the seeds with the help of rhizobial solution or powder before sowing them in the field. Once they are coated, the rhizobium bacteria, it will enter the seeds, right? So when you are sowing the seeds with this rhizobium, and when they grow, the rhizobium will also be present in the roots of this particular crops. Hence the fertility of the soil will be maintained because this rhizobium will fix the nitrogen to the soil. So this is what is called as rhizobial inoculation. I hope it's clear to you, children. I hope it's clear why the rhizobium is called as symbiotic bacteria. Because rhizobium helps the crops by supplying the nitrogen. They convert the atmospheric nitrogen into nitrogen compounds and makes it available to the leguminous crops. In turn, these leguminous crops, they will provide shelter, not only shelter, children, I forgot to tell this, they even provide food to the rhizobium. They also provide the food in the form of carbohydrates. So they provide shelter and food in the form of carbohydrates to the rhizobium. So both the organisms are getting benefited because of each other. This is what is called as symbiosis. Hence rhizobium is called as symbiotic bacteria. Moreover, rhizobium is also called as farmer's friend because of the rhizobium, the farmers have stopped using the chemical fertilizers, because chemical fertilizers are generally used to increase the fertility of the soil, right? But the rhizobium, they are increasing the fertility by fixing the nitrogen in the soil. So the nitrogen gets fixed in the soil because of the rhizobium. They convert the atmospheric nitrogen into nitrogen compounds and then they fix them in the soil. This nitrogen is taken by the crops, you all know that. And after the harvesting, what the farmers do, they put the roots back to the soil, because of which the fertility of the soil is maintained. Hence the use of chemical fertilizers have reduced. Hence the costing of the farmers are also reduced because the chemical fertilizers are very expensive. So it has become cheaper for the farmers to grow the leguminous crops and to maintain the fertility of the soil. Then you understood what is rhizobial inoculation. It is the artificial method of sowing the seeds with the rhizobium. How we are getting it? The before sowing, the seeds are coated with the rhizobial solution or with the powder, because of which the rhizobium enters the plantlets or enters the seeds, because of which the fertility of the soil is maintained. So this is the artificial method, and this method is called as rhizobial inoculation. So children, I hope that this part is clear to you. If any doubt, you can ask me. It is there in your page number 89, the rhizobium. So you can go through it. This, and we have got 90 page number also. There's a continuation. So we have covered rhizobium today, children. Go through the chapter, read the textbook, and answer the questions which will be given by me. Thank you.